How to generate AI images in CapCut. Let's get into it. With CapCut open, come up to Media in the top left, and below here you should see AI Media. Click into this and then you will see AI Image. Here you will have this dialog box where you can input your prompt and also choose your model. For the prompting, you can upload reference images if you are aiming for a particular look in your image, and then you can put your prompt in here below. So for my example, I'm going to generate a cute kitten sitting on top of a basketball outside on a summer's day. Next, we can come down to the model, and here you can click on this drop down and select a model that best suits your project. There's a little bit of a description under each of them. For this example, I'm going to go with the default one, which is the Seed Dream 4.3. Next, you can come down to resolution and click on this drop down and select the kind of resolution you want for your video. Next, you can choose the aspect ratio. By default, it's 16:9, but if you're going for a different aspect ratio, you can select it from this list here. With all of this configured, you can then go ahead and choose generate. CapCut will need a moment to generate your images. Once the generation is complete, you will see in the top right an AI media section where you'll see 4 images that you can choose from for what you want to create. I actually like the first one that it's given to me. If, however, you don't like the generations, you can click this regenerate button and it will regenerate the images for you. If you also want to, you can take this one step further and turn the image into a video. It will create an AI video based on this image. But that is how you create AI images in CapCut, and that's all there is to it.